Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And here's what I got. I got the drone, I got the remote, and now I have this, the Fly More Kit Plus, which means up to 47 minutes of flight time. Now, of course, we know that we're never gonna see 47 minutes of flight time. I'm not even gonna say not. We're never gonna see 47 minutes of flight time. But even if we can get to like 42 minutes of flight time, that will be fantastic for a drone. So let's open this, see what's inside, and see how the drone fits into the package, because I have a fear that this remote may not fit in this bag, but because it seems like the bag's maybe too small for the remote, but we'll see in just a moment. Okay, so the same kind of seal as was on the drone, so you open it that simple, and the box comes open, hopefully, and that's it. I mean, everything is already packaged inside. Yeah, there's nothing else in this box. So inside this bag, kind of like almost identical to my Spark bag. So let's open this and see what's inside. And inside we just have this, which is the hub and 2 batteries, and wow, something else, probably some paperwork. Nothing in that pocket, and some more stuff hidden up here. Not really well designed, it's not really rugged. Okay, so we have the cable, and we have 2 pairs of props. Is that it? That's it. So let's take this out. I'm using one hand because that's the way I am. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Let me take the battery out real quick. Okay, so 1 battery, 2 batteries, and I'll take one out of the drone as well. Wow, how do you take it out? Oh, like this. You gotta unfold the legs. And my 3rd battery. Okay, so let's take a look at it. So here's the difference. The regular battery does say 249 grams on it, so ultra light. This is considerably heavier. So like if you take them in your hand, this one is light, this one is considerably heavier. That's why it flies up to 35 minutes, I think, and up to 47. So the difference is, well, probably like 10 minutes. This is why you always need to register your drones. I actually registered my Mini 3 Pro and my Hotel Evo yesterday. So basically, as soon as I get the drone unboxed, I register it before I even think about flying it. I have to do it because I have a commercial license. You do it at your own risk, because if you get busted, you may be in a lot of trouble. Not the first offense, but probably the second offense, definitely. So I just went on and registered because with the new extended flight battery, the drone is definitely over 249 grams. I think it's like 270 grams it weighs in. So now it has to be registered. So why take the risk? I mean, I don't know if you ever get stopped by anybody, if they're gonna take out scales and weigh your drone, but because I don't think they will. They just will go by models. So model like DJI Mini 3 249 grams out of the box. But if you get somebody knowledgeable and they know that there are extended flight batteries for the Mini 3, they'll probably want to weigh the drone or make sure that you don't have extended flight battery in it. So don't risk it. And right now we're coming up to a finale. I want to see if everything fits in this bag. So like I said, I have the drone, I have the batteries, the hub. So my assumption is that you can keep the batteries in the hub. Let's go this way. Yeah, and goes this way. So that's my assumption, that you can keep the batteries in the hub, because Mini 2 had a problem where it would discharge, the hub would discharge the batteries. I don't think Mini 3 has this problem. So let's throw the hub in. Oh, see, that's what I'm like, my main question. How do you get all this stuff in here? Like the drone probably goes in here, the remote goes in here. Where does the hub go? So let me figure this out. Okay, so it fits, and it actually fits rather nicely. So right now I'm just waiting for the memory cards, because I ordered 2 memory cards, one for the drone, one for the remote, and waiting for the weather to be nice to where I can fly, because it's been raining all day. And I'm gonna go out and fly it, and it's gonna be awesome. And right now I thank you guys for watching. My drone is now complete. Oh, I did forget to mention, I did opt in for the DJI Care package. Cost me $135, and I hope nothing's gonna happen to my drone, because I'd rather spend $135 and not have a single problem with my drone than to bust my drone up, have to pay an extra, because I think you have to pay like $70 to get a new drone for the replacement program, and have to wait probably 2 weeks. So I'd rather have a peace of mind knowing that in case something happens, I'll get a replacement, but I don't want to crush my drone. I really don't. So I thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later.